Hey all, welcome to Olinsi Traveling. Glad to have you here. On this channel, I take you along on the real side of life on the road, truck stops, rest areas, and small towns across the US and Canada. I don't sugarcoat it, you see it exactly as it is, whether the showers are sparkling clean or barely passable, whether the parking lot has room for you, or you're circling at midnight hoping for a spot. I started this channel because so many places look one way on paper, but when you actually pull in with a rig, it's a whole different story. And if you're a truck driver, or even just someone who loves road travel, you know how important the little details are, things like easy in and out access, how busy it gets at night, or where you can grab a decent bite, without losing an hour of your day. Every week I post walking tours of truck stops, rest areas, and sometimes even small towns right off the highway. You'll see parking setups, fueling lanes, shower conditions, food options, and I'll always give you the honest take, what works, what doesn't, and what to watch out for. So if you want real, unfiltered looks at the road life, you're in the right place. Hit that like button if you've ever struggled to find a spot, subscribe so you don't miss the next stop, and share with another driver who could use these reviews. Now let's get rolling and check out today's stop. Today we're checking out the Kenora District Welcome Center, right where the Trans-Canada meets Ontario, and it's the same spot for eastbound and westbound traffic. You've got plenty of paved parking here, clean restrooms, and a picture-perfect, "Welcome to Ontario" sign. Let's take a quick walk and see if this is a good pit stop for drivers. The lot's big and paved, with separate sections for RVs and trucks, which means less backing up drama. It's easy to get into and onto, even with trailers, and clear pavement beats mud or gravel any day. Especially helpful after long stretches of highway, when you just need space and peace. Unlike a full truck stop, don't expect food, showers, or fuel here. It's a rest stop, not a service center. But it's peaceful and easy compared to a busy rest area near cities. If you're planning a longer break, you might need to hit a town or truck stop next. You can't miss the "Welcome to Ontario" sign. Makes for a shot that says, "We made it across the border." Great for a quick photo or TikTok if you're documenting your trip. It gives the stop a bit of pride and press for your video. At night, the area stays lit and feels fairly safe. No pitch black corners or dodgy spots. That makes a difference when you roll in around midnight after hours of driving. Still, always keep your doors locked. You're still in a rest area, after all. Inside the building, restrooms are clean and well maintained, much better than many roadside stops you'll pass. It's open 24/7, which matters if you're doing overnight runs. Definitely a quick refresh spot, though nothing too fancy, just functional. They've got picnic tables right outside and some grassy spaces, perfect if you want to stretch or eat outside the cab. You'll also find travel info brochures inside the building if you need a local map or weather update. Just the essentials for a reset break. If you want a quick stop with facilities and a photo, this is it. But if you need more services, fuel, showers, plan to either top up before or after. This is best as a heartbeat break, not your major long stop reset. And that's your walkthrough of the Kenora District Welcome Center, paved, clean, and a great first stop in Ontario. Hit like if you've pulled in here, or scored a photo under that sign. Drop a comment with your favorite board or rest area. And subscribe so you don't miss any real truck stop tours coming up. Stay safe out there, and keep those wheels moving.